there is no another. You either win it or lose it forever.
My people, I don't come. For those of you now, we don't subscribe for this my YouTube channel. I bless you. For those who never subscribe, I bless you. But make them subscribe. Tell those who don't see, who never see, tell them make them subscribe. I pray for every one of you, long life, good health, money go boku. This coronavirus where they go everywhere, you not go near you for now. In Jesus' name, yes. Tori boku, Sonny Okosu, not be small. Tori boku. Yes. When Sonny come back from United Kingdom, my papa surprised, everybody surprised. And the thing can't change the family. Everybody can't be happy. Sonny Okosu go United Kingdom. Now true happy not be true. People come inside the house, they check. As I say, when Sonny come open box, we carry come from United Kingdom. Hey! He come start to bring the cloth to Apple. They bring the shoe. They bring my pack up carry shall go sit down here. My pack go carry shall sit down there, Mama. Sonny, as they bring cloth. My man look my pastor say, if you take something, knock this one for head now. Now be the pikin way they push you up and down with this. You don't come now, you go sit down there. My pack they do that while you laugh. It's my son. It's my son. Nice when they come carry one coat. That time they call a coat, not be suit, coat. They come carry coat and trouser, give my papa. Hey! When papa carry this coat and trouser, he don't run enter. He go wear am. He wear coat, he wear trouser. Come put go yeah. Papa can't change it. See you, my man just a vex in the look at. So you like a better thing? Okay. But that's why the Sonny come. We episode the whole Enugu. Hear about that thing. I don't know whether that thing don't enter Nigeria. Well, you don't enter Nigeria, but not everybody know about that thing. 1965, now they talk so. They call that thing tape recorder. Tape recorder. That's only in fact, I think say for the whole Enugu. That's only first to bring a tape recorder. That tape recorder say that time, if you talk, when you talk, you finish it. You go repeat it. The way you talk, you go repeat it. Anything you talk, you go repeat it. Hey! The whole news you can't go around and you say something don't carry one magic thing come. Say anything when you talk, the thing go repeat it. That one, in fact, people hear the people don't hear. Yeah, they say that thing. If you want to talk now, not talk anyhow, the thing go pick your voice. You go repeat it. Come and see. That one can become attraction. So they can't take up. When they come, people go come. Yeah, I beg you, Sonny. That's when they say, when you talk, you go talk. You want to see her. So they go carry on. They go say, that one go say hello. So they go to that one go say hello. They go say, where are you? How are you? That he go say, how are you? It can't be like in a winch. That was the first time everybody see tape recorder. Then, my papa, better thing good though. My papa, anytime when they go out to go wear coat, wear trouser, they go carry that tape recorder. If they go meeting, they go carry out. My papa become a star. Now the people they push up and down. Anytime we reach meeting, when they discuss, go put it, they go press it, bam. They go to talk. When they talk finish it, the thing go repeat again. Tape recorder. It become not be small. God. So they can become attraction. Well, God did. Then no do. Work on start. Work on start. That war. Well, before the war started, so they don't start one band. They can't start the own band. That time for Enugu, the first rock band for Enugu. Then they call that band Postmen. Not say that they post letter, Postmen of Enugu. There are about 4 of them. They play all this Beatles, all this rock music. The thing can make them popular. They play. They go all over the place. So no Kosu. Then they play. Then they invite them. All the college, Queen's College, all those big school, university. Then they go. They play about. Well, God can open doors small. But it come this time. war come start. That war really, it spoil something, not be small. The war spoil something, Now, Ojukwu, now Ojukwu now. Ojukwu say, well, they come pass the decree. They say, anybody will not be Igbo man, make it go where it come from. Whether it be Yoruba, it be Edo, as far as you not be Igbo, go to where you come from. That thing really affect the Sonny. The thing affect the Sonny, but Sonny with all this, all of us, my papa come pack us, put inside lorry, carry us down, go village. Sonny, they know they go, Sonny not come out. Sonny not going to go. We find Sonny say not they go. He not they come out. Where they go, where they go. Sonny can stay for Enugu. They play music. But you know, say this world, not where you go do, where people don't go talk. They can't go report Sonny. Say Sonny, not be Igbo man, na Edo man. Direct it to Ojukwu. They go tell Ojukwu. Because Sonny they play for army. They go play for army barracks. You know, they come watch for mess, we are army officers. They go play there. They can't tell Ojukwu, say Sonny Okosu, not be Igbo man. Hi! The thing pay Ojukwu not be small. He said Sonny na Igbo. So Ojukwu go take your hand, call Sonny. He says, Sonny, my son. Say, that's one language. English Ojukwu use that time. I think I better say this is a decree. I cannot repeal. Ojukwu talk and say, Sonny, this is a decree. I cannot repeal. I think that is grammar, right? Sonny can cry. I say, Sonny, so I say, what thing? I say, well, you have to go back to your state. You not be Igbo. Because the two of them discuss, say, anybody will not be Igbo, you know, will stay here. Or they will think you be Samotua. That is how Sonny live Enugu. If they live Enugu, they cry, Ojukwu come to an escort. They come kind of reach Asaba, Onitsha, come cross, come enter Asaba. Now Sonny come village. Sonny come meet us for village. He reach village. Sonny no fit stay for village. He look up, he look down. He look up, he look down. How you go stay for this village? Hey, nice surprisingly. One morning like this, as I just enter, where Sonny they sleep, I see Sonny on the packages again. My brother, where they go? He said they go Enugu. God waiting. Where were they? He said, no, cannot take this nonsense. He said, what? I said, why the verse now? He said, my uncle, one of our uncle, come to Sonny for money. He tapped Sonny. He said, Sonny, now when you don't come back, no food for lazy man, make you take rubber, where they take rubber, that knife, where they take tap rubber. He said, you have to follow, go rubber plantation. Go the tap rubber. And if you want chop, if you not be so, no food for you. Sonny look at you up, look down. So if you go the tap rubber, Sonny carry that knife, he throw up. It's okay, in the come. Sonny just pack your load. Oh yeah, he enter road. Now so Sonny go back to Enugu. Sonny go back to Enugu. Why would they start to fight Sonny? Sonny don't go Enugu. We find out, we not see Sonny. This is another episode to tell how Sonny stop, but you not agree. Sonny go back to Enugu. The next episode, I will tell you now what happen for Enugu with Sonny.